Hi viewers, welcome to KVR Maths Academy. In this video, let's discuss 12, 13, 14 problems in exercise 6.2 in progressions of 10th class mathematics. Right? So before doing these problems, viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel, those who are not subscribed yet. Thank you. Yes, let's discuss the problems. Yeah. See, this is the 12th question. How many multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250? How many multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250? Right, let us find solution. Yes, first write the multiples of 4. Multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 between 10 and 250 are, see, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Yeah, right? 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20 and so on. Up to 250. See, in 250 how many times get cancelled? See, divide 250, 4. 4 6 are 24. 1 is there, 4 2s are 8. 2 is there. 2 is the remainder, no? So subtract 2 from 250. How much? 248. Up to 248. See, 4 6 are 4 2s are 62 times get cancelled in 248. So the sequence is 12, 16, 20 and up to 248. Right? How many number of terms are there in this AP? Let us find. Right? Yes. So from this, what can you write? First term A is equal to 12. Next common difference D is equal to 4. D is equal to 4, right? Next let us say AN is equal, last term AN is equal to 248. Right? We should find the value of N. Yes, we have, what is the formula? Yes, we know very well about that. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 248 plus A is 12 plus N minus here equal to. N minus 1 into D is 4. Right? So 12 transfer to this side. 248 minus 12 is equal to N minus 1 into 4. 248 minus 12, 236. By 4 also transfer this side. By 4 it will become is equal to N minus 1. 4 how many times? Yes, 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20, 4 9s are 36. So that implies N minus 1 is equal to 59 here. N is equal to 59 plus 1. N minus 1 transfer this side. N is equal to 60. So there are 60 multiples between 10 and 250. Therefore, number of multiples of 4 between 10 and 250 is equal to 60. Right? Understood? Yes. So this is 1 or 2 marks question. If you do in this way, you will get full marks. Suppose if he give 4 bits, half mark or 1 mark, how can you do? A simple technique is there. A shortcut is there. Shortcut. How like you do? See here, between 10 and 250 only given, no? So here last term is 250 minus first term is 10 only, na? Yes, by multiples of 4 only, na? By 4 do. That is equal to 250 minus 10. Yes, 240. 240 by 4 is equal to 60. So directly you can get the answer. For bits, very time saving trick is this. Have you understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Next, 13th question. For what value of n are the nth terms of 2 APs 63, 65, 67, so on, and 3, 10, 17, so on are equal? See, for what value of n are nth terms of 2 APs? Here one AP has given and another AP has given. So for what value of n these nth terms are equal, we should find that one, right? A solution. See first AP. See, take first AP. What is that? 63, 65, 67 and so on, right? Here first term A is equal to 63, common difference D is equal to 65 minus 63, that is 2, right? D is equal to 2. Right, let us find nth term. Yes, an is equal to what is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into D, right? Yes, here A plus A 63 plus n minus 1 into 2, that is 63 plus 2n minus 2. This will be 2n plus 63 minus 2 will be 61. So in the first AP nth term is 2n plus 61, right? Next is second AP, let us take, what are those values? Terms 3, 10, 17 and so on. Here also first term A is equal to 3. Next common difference D is equal to here 10 minus 3, that is 7. D is equal to 7, right? Now nth term an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, that is equal to A is 3 plus n minus 1 into 7, right? This is 3 plus 7n minus 7, that is equal to 7n minus 4. Here an is equal to 2n plus 61, here an is equal to 7n minus 4. Here what has asked, at what value of n are the nth terms of two APs are equal has given. Suppose this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Yes, from the data here 1 is equal to 2, take 1 is equal to 2, that implies here 2n plus 61 is equal to 7n minus 4. Yes, 4 transferred to this side and 7n transferred to this side. 2n minus 7n is equal to minus 4 minus 61. So minus 5n is equal to minus 65. Minus get cancelled. N is equal to 65 by 5. That is equal to how much? 13. 5 is 65 only. Yes, for a value of n. So 13th term. For 13th term, these two APs are equal. Or 13th terms of two APs are equal. Understood clearly? Therefore, write down. Therefore, 13th terms of two APs are equal. Why? Because n is equal to, we have got 13 only. So that's why 13 terms of two APs are equal. Understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Next, 14th question. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. See, determine the AP. We have to find the AP whose third term has given 16 and seventh term exceeds its fifth term by 12. Right, then we have to find the AP. Let us find. Yeah, solution. Right, given third term A3 is equal to 16 only has given. Yes, A3 means here A plus 2D is equal to 16. Right, next seventh term A7 is equal to A7 is equal to A plus 6D only. A plus 6D, right? Seventh term means. Next, fifth term A5 is equal to A plus 4D only, na? A plus 4D. according to the problem, 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. So according to the problem, A7 minus A5 is equal to how much? 12. A7 is A plus 6D minus A5 is A plus 4D is equal to 12. So A plus 6D minus A minus 4D is equal to 12 here. Yes, here plus A minus A get cancelled now. So 6D plus 4D, 2D is equal to 12. So D is equal to 12 by 2. That is 2 6 times. D is equal to, we have got 6. D is equal to 6, right? Next. Now D value substitute here. D value substitute in A plus 2D. D is equal to how much? 6. Substitute in A plus 2D is equal to how much? 16 has given now. Yes, A plus 2 into 6 is equal to 12. A is equal, A plus 2 6 are 12. Here this is 16 here. Is equal to 16. A is equal to 16 minus 12. A is equal to 4. A is equal to 4, right? So actually general form of the AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, like that only na? Yes, write down. The general form of AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on only na? Yes, A means here 4. 4 A plus D. 4 plus D how much? 6. 4 plus 6. Next 4 plus 2 into 6. 4 plus 3 into 6. And so on. This is equal to 4, 10, 16. How much? Yes, 22 and so on. So this is the given AP. This is what we have to find AP. Understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Okay, viewers, if you like my video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.